Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. Right now, we are waking up in beautiful Ucluelet on Vancouver Island. And this morning, although a beautiful day, we are feeling a little bit lazy from our previous days / weeks of adventures. And so I thought this morning, because we are taking it easy, it might be the perfect time for me to show you guys around our accommodations here at Black Rock Landing, which is the apartment rental that we're staying at here on the coast. And so if you guys are planning a trip to this area, this video is going to be for you. We're going to show you around the apartment, and then I'm also going to show you guys a little bit of what you can do in the area. But if you are not planning a trip to this area, definitely still keep watching because there are so many beautiful views to check out. This apartment is so cute, and even one of our favorite Marina Life characters makes a bit of an appearance, so I think you'll still enjoy it. And yeah, let's just get this tour started. So our apartment here at Black Rock Landing is actually a top floor harborfront unit, and it features one bedroom with an ensuite bathroom and skylight to stargaze at night, as well as an open floor plan kitchen and living space with a comfortable seating area, dining table, fireplace, and TV, as well as two small balconies with sweeping views of the inner harbor and inlet. From 3 floors up, or from the docks below, you can enjoy harbor views as the boats and seaplanes come and go, and spot eagles soaring above, as well as sea lions playing down below. This one in particular was loving the camera and just in the best mood.
He's just looking. Hello.
Honestly, the first night that we were here, I actually sat by these windows and watched like the little sea lion pods swim from one dock to the next, and I could not have been happier. However, if watching sea lions is not necessarily your jam, that's cool. There is so much more to do in the area as well. After walking just up the road to grab a coffee and sweet treat at the Foggy Bean, you can go exploring in Ucluelet on the Wild Pacific Trail, which ties together many smaller trails, and we really enjoyed just parking along the coast and going exploring on foot. Further out though, you can grab a park pass and visit Pacific Rim National Park. I'll link some videos below so that you can check those spots out more in depth. But our favorite stops would probably have to be South Beach Trail with its beautiful beaches and ocean views, and Rainforest Trail. I truly think that one of the things that makes this apartment so special, aside from the ideal location, is all of the windows. You can sit and you can watch the boats come in and just kind of watch life go by when you're in a relaxing mood, and then you're ideally located to hikes and trails and all that fun stuff when you're feeling a bit more adventurous. So if you are planning a trip to this area, definitely check out Black Rock Landing. I will leave all of the information in the description down below, and also check out some of the previous videos that we've done if you haven't already, because those will be some great resources for you guys choosing the things that you would like to see and do while you're here. But that is going to be it for me for today and this video. In my next video, we are actually going to be heading further south to the area around Victoria, so I can't wait to show you guys the views and activities that we get up to there. And if you have not already hit that like and subscribe button, definitely do it, because we post new travel content every single Sunday. And as you can tell, we still have more content coming your way. So until I see you in the next video, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you then.